Okay, this lesson is all about using other social media platforms and websites for getting the word out about your videos. In particular, using the private feature. Now, why on earth, if you're putting video on social media, the last thing you want to do is hide your stuff. You want it to get out there and go viral, right? Well, yeah, in most cases, but there may be certain circumstances where you want your videos to either be unlisted, private, or password protected. So that's what this lesson is all about. So why on earth would I want to have a private video or an unlisted video? Well, I teach courses for the University for Peace, Center for Executive Education. They're in Costa Rica. They're a UN university, and I do online courses with them. And some of my videos are on YouTube, but they're only meant for students in that particular class. Now, I'm starting with YouTube, and I'm going to take you from YouTube to Vimeo. So that's what this lesson will talk about. But let's start in YouTube. Okay, so I've clicked on my videos. And showing up in my videos, because I'm logged in, I'm actually looking at videos that are public as well as videos that are unlisted. So for example, how embarrassing, I really hate doing these talking heads. You keep score. So in this module, we are going to be developing your life design plan, and you'll be drawing upon the readings, the videos, methodologies, and various activities that we've been doing in this month-long course. You see that there's just a small amount of views because it was only meant as a part of our private coursework in the course. So for paying students of that course, Designing Your Life through UPeace. So that's one reason. And I didn't make it a private video. This is just an unlisted video. So anyone who has the link can then view my video. So that's a very easy and important option on YouTube. And you'll find it very easily. When you go to upload a video, you have the option here. Under privacy, you can make it public, unlisted, private, or scheduled. So it's, for example, if you want a video to appear on Monday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, you can set that up there. Okay, so those are your options on YouTube. And so you can see I used that for one of my online courses. Now, most people are just fine with YouTube and they never need anything else. However, if you are a filmmaker or an animator, there's actually another platform that's favored compared to YouTube. So YouTube is great for getting the word out, for reaching a huge audience, but one of the downsides is you get a lot more negative comments and a lot more people are watching your videos that are not part of your intended audience. If you want a more highbrow crowd, you may want to go on over to Vimeo.com. So Vimeo is a platform preferred by professional filmmakers, animators, and people who are making more quote-unquote artistic videos that require a little bit more thoughtful discussions than some of the comments you may come across on YouTube. So I'm actually a member of Vimeo, and I upgraded to get Vimeo Plus. And one of the reasons that Vimeo Plus is so nice is it gives you many options that enable you to basically create your own custom page. So basically, I use my Vimeo Plus account when I'm submitting my videos to film festivals, and I only want juries or judges to look at my work and not have it be available to the public. For example, some of the international film festivals that I've been in will not accept a film if they see that it's already online. So that's one reason why you may need to have a private or unlisted video either on YouTube or Vimeo. One reason that filmmakers and artists like Vimeo Plus is that it's a nice alternative to making your own website. So if you're someone who's not very web savvy, you don't have the money to plunk down for someone to make a website for you, you may be able to easily create a makeshift website that features your videos and your work, especially if you're primarily a filmmaker, on Vimeo. So this is my Vimeo page, and this is This Too Shall Pass, and it's a private password protected video. So I set a password, and then anyone who has the link and the password is able to access the video. So this is my page. And you can see that I've actually, so this is the final version of the animation. But if you scroll down, you'll see that I uploaded other versions of the animation, 99% done, 98% done, 80% done, and so on and so forth. So as I was working on the animation, this enabled me to share my work with my colleagues and my friends whose feedback I was after without putting the video public for everybody to see and comment on. So that's another great option. So that is the rundown on private videos. I hope you found this helpful, and if there's something else that you would like to know that I didn't cover, just start a new discussion and I'll be happy to answer your questions. Take care and see you in the next lesson.